At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an original equipment manufacturer, OEM, business can be a lucrative venture if done right. Here are some steps to get you started. 1. Market research. Understand the industry you want to operate in. Identify potential clients, competitors, and market trends. Determine which industries have a demand for OEM services and what type of products they require. 2. Choose your niche. Decide on the specific products or components you want to manufacture. It could be electronics, automotive parts, machinery components, etc. Choose a niche where you have expertise or can acquire it easily. 3. Business plan. Develop a detailed business plan outlining your objectives, target market, pricing strategy, marketing plan, operational structure, and financial projections. This will serve as a roadmap for your business and help you secure funding if needed. 4. Legal structure and registration. Choose a suitable legal structure for your business, e.g., sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, and register your company with the appropriate authorities. Obtain any necessary permits or licenses required to operate legally. 5. Supplier and vendor relationships. Establish relationships with reliable suppliers and vendors for sourcing raw materials, components, and equipment needed for manufacturing. Negotiate favorable terms and build long-term partnerships. 6. Quality control. Implement stringent quality control measures to ensure that your products meet industry standards and client specifications. Invest in testing equipment and procedures to maintain consistent quality. 7. Production facility. Set up a production facility equipped with the necessary machinery, tools, and infrastructure to manufacture your products efficiently. Consider factors like location, space requirements, and scalability. 8. Human resources. Hire skilled employees who have experience in manufacturing and quality control. Provide training and development opportunities to enhance their skills and productivity. 9. Marketing and sales. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your OEM services and attract clients. Utilize online and offline channels such as websites, social media, trade shows, and networking events to reach potential customers. 10. Customer relationship management. Build strong relationships with your clients by delivering high-quality products, providing excellent customer service, and being responsive to their needs and feedback. 11. Continuous improvement. Stay updated with the latest industry trends, technologies, and best practices. Continuously seek ways to improve your processes, products, and services to stay competitive in the market. 12. Legal protection. Protect your intellectual property rights by securing patents, trademarks, or copyrights for your products if necessary. Also, ensure that you have proper contracts in place with clients and suppliers to safeguard your interests. Starting an OEM business requires careful planning, dedication, and a focus on delivering value to your clients. With the right strategy and execution, you can build a successful and profitable enterprise. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.